Hey up guys, this is the brand new Murad Tools Firejet Pro. It's their new blowtorch with a removable high definition diffuser for instant access and easy clean. It has a cool touch nozzle design, the new valve technology providing greater reliability. It can be used with both propane and MAP gas. With the easy removable diffuser, it allows you to remove any foreign objects that have got into the nozzle, such as flux or solder. It uses the industry standard gas bottle connection with a quick ignition on and off trigger. You can adjust the flame for precision control. With the Cool Touch technology, it stops you from burning yourself, anyone you're working with, or anyone's property. This is definitely a new addition to my soldering bag.